Welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. These are the inbuilt functions which is available inside the MATLAB to work with Otsu thresholding. Similarly, if you want to apply that part of segmentation, especially through the intensity level means, we have to follow these methods. So like there also we can start with the reading of image. So first we have to clear all the previous data so that we can provide clear all. You'll see. Now we can read an image. So within that, here I wish to take color image. Now we have to just take that particular histogram as well as the sum of histogram also should be done. So for that, so that we can display this. Now we have to apply for the histogram purpose. So for histogram we need two parts of R comma. Now from that we have to sum out the value of, so initializing the maximum value as 0. So initially it is 0 only. Now we are going to apply the intensity range of a particular image. So based on that intensity only, here we will be able to calculate. So 255, 1 to 255, 1 to 256 we have taken. Normally in the range of 0 to 255, so totally 256 bits are there. So among that we will be taking this application. So now the next part we are going to apply for threshold. Previously we have applied for intensity. Now we are going to apply it for threshold. So for the first array part we are taking from intensity, we are taking the range from 1 to till maximum threshold which is available, and similarly we have to provide the next probability class for the threshold. So for there also the same thing only that the variance will be applied. Now the next thing is we have to apply the mean value. So mean value for the total data. So this is all the step-by-step process for mathematical calculation of Otsu thresholding. So within that particular Otsu thresholding part, now it has to be totally divided by sum of W1. Sum of W0. This 1 is to. This is for mean value 0. Next thing is mean value for 1. The same dot format from that. And now therefore the matrix value will be taken. Now we have to apply the sigmoid or variance between class. So the sigma value will be, so therefore we are comparing both the maximum value along with the sigma. So if sigma and the maximum value are equal, therefore the threshold will be applied for t minus 1. Now the threshold range has been completed. Now from this we have to binaries. So IM to BW. Previously, instead of applying this formula we have named it as Otsu threshold, multi-level threshold. So we have directly called those functions. So that's why we are not able to see. Now we have covered that inbuilt functions as well as the formulas also. So once whenever you are programming, you can choose any one type for Otsu thresholding. So we have left for sum of program value. So here you guys can see without grayscale, we are able to play the data. Here we have not played the grayscale, so all the process, everything has been done through this for loop itself. Both the for loops are used for in that particular variance only. Therefore, this application is known as Otsu thresholding. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.